Hello everyone! Welcome po sa channel nito. This is Pinoy Twins Tarot. Mag-read po tayo ng cards today. Ang gagawin ko pong reading para sa inyo is cartomancy reading. So, gagamit po ako ng ordinary cards para sa reading nyo, no guys? So, ate po aalamin ano ba ang mangyayari sa next 72 hours ninyo, no? Para po ito dun sa mga tao na nangangailangan ng reading this time, okay? So, mag-start na po tayo guys. Kung ano lang po yung mag-resonate sa inyo guys, okay? So, yun lang po yung kunin ninyo. Kung hindi kayo makaresonate sa reading na to, ibig sabihin, hindi ito yung reading para sa inyo guys, no? So, aalamin lang natin ano ba ang malalaman natin sa reading today para sa 72 hours ninyo guys, okay? So, yun lang po. Mag-start na po tayo guys. Ay. Wait lang. Balasahin ko lang saglit guys. Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising. Ano po ba ang dapat malaman ng person na makakanood nito? Itong reading na to. Ano po ba ang dapat nilang malaman? Spirits. Okay. Meron kayong Ace of Hearts, Five of Hearts, 5 of Clubs, 2 of Diamonds, 6 of Hearts, King of Spades, Jack of Clubs, Ace of Spades, 5 of Diamonds, Queen of Hearts, okay, and 10 of Hearts. Okay guys, bottom of the deck natin is 10 of Diamonds, okay. Ibig sabihin po nito okay, some of you, okay, nagkaroon kayo ng yung period ng difficulty sa life ninyo natapos na. Okay guys? Okay guys? And okay, some of you nakakaranas ng financial prosperity. Okay guys? And some of you may magagandang successful na sa life. Okay? Very financially stable na sila. Okay? Some of you, no? Okay, so mag-start tayo sa reading ninyo guys, no? Meron kayong Ace of Hearts. Okay, ang Ace of Hearts po, ang ibig sabihin nito is happiness. Maybe some of you masaya naman ang buhay, no? Very successful sa kanyang life, okay? Pati rin sa kanyang pag-ibig, okay? And some of you nakakaranas ng celebration this time, okay? Maybe merong nangyayari sa inyo na maganda. Pwedeng merong graduate sa family, may birthday, ganon. May kinasal, may binyag. So, some of you nakakaranas ng celebration this time, okay? And yung iba naman nag-celebrate kasi may bago silang relationship, okay? Sinagot na sila ng person nila, okay? Or yung iba na nagkahiwalay nagkabati na, okay guys? And then, some of you nagkaroon ng bagong kaibigan, okay guys? And some of you pinapakita sa cards na to luck is coming your way, okay? So, kung yung iba medyo hindi pa nakakaramdam ng swerte, don't worry guys kasi good luck is coming your way naman na. Okay guys? So, meron kayong 5 of clubs. Ang ibig po sabihin ng 5 of clubs is, okay, etong person na to mahilig magbago-bago ng kanyang isip. Okay guys, meron siyang ganong klase ng ugali, okay? Pwedeng kayo to na nakikinig o nanonood or pwedeng yung person ninyo, okay guys? And then meron kayong 2 of Diamonds, okay? Some of you makakaranas ng positive surprise, okay, na magbibigay sa inyo ng happiness, okay? I feel na yung iba sa inyo nabuntis, okay? Or kaya yun, positive surprise, 'di ba guys? Baka yung iba nag-iintay na mabuntis and then nabuntis na, okay? So, positive surprise yan, di ba guys? And some of you maybe susurprise kayo ng mga person ninyo. Kung LDR kayo, pwedeng ganon. Or some of you naman may magbibigay ng gift, okay? Kaya makakaranas yung iba sa inyo ng saya, okay? Joy and happiness, okay? Or yung iba naman sa inyo, mayroong tinayaan na mga games, okay? Mga, halimbawa, lotto, ganon. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo mananalo, okay? Guys. And yung iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng, yung iba nakakaranas ng, example, yung partner nyo, kayo ng person mo, okay? Pero, merong mga disagree, okay? Ayaw sa relationship ninyo, okay? Nakakontra sa relationship nyo. So, yung iba nakakaranas po ng gano'n, no? And then, meron kayong Six of Hearts, okay? Ang Six of Hearts po, ang ibig sabihin nito okay, yung iba sa inyo na falling in love na, okay? And then, okay, maganda yung klase ng cards na to, okay? Yung iba sa inyo na fall in love na, okay? Maybe sa mga bagong may romantic relationship, no? Okay, guys? So, yun na yung feeling ninyo, guys, ng person mo, okay? Mutually attracted na kayo sa isa't isa. Okay, guys? So, yun. And then, meron kayong King of Spades. Itong person na to is hindi siya ganun kabait na tao, no? Ito yung mayroong hindi magandang paniniwala, okay? Pwedeng ito love affair, okay? Love affair with the wrong person. Okay, guys? Okay, guys? Yung person na to. And yung person na to very selfish, ambitious, okay? And may pagka-old na siya, guys. Older man na siya. Okay? Siguro ang edad nito ay nasa 40 to 55, mga ganun siguro yung age niya, no? And meron siyang bigote. So, meron kayong Jack of Clubs. Ang ibig pong sabihin naman nito is good friend, okay? Pwedeng sincere lover, okay? Pwedeng partner nyo na tong person na to, or good friend nyo, okay? This person is very friendly, okay? And medyo may pagka-matapang, no, guys, itong person na to. And skillful, okay, guys? Ito naman young man naman to. Young blonde man, okay? Siguro ang age nito mga nasa, ano lang to, mga 35 to 25, no, guys? So, yun po ibig sabihin ng person na to. And then, meron kayong Ace of Spades, okay? Okay. Some of you, kung meron kayong investment, okay? These cards, ang ibig pong sabihin nito is good, okay? Good long-term investments, okay, guys? And, okay. So, parang warning din sa iba to, no, guys? Kung yung iba may good long-term investment nang nangyayari, sa iba naman parang warning sign tong card na to na pwedeng maging bad fortune sa inyo. Okay, guys? So, maging aware lang kayo, guys. Okay? Kasi, hindi naman kayo para-parehas, guys, na nangyayari sa buhay, 'di ba? So, yung iba kung nasa investment this time, yung iba makakaranas ng good long-term investments, okay? Yung iba naman, bad fortune, okay? Or disaster, okay, guys? And some of you, maybe merong person na magagalit sa inyo, okay? Or meron kayo makakaaway, okay, guys? Guys? So, yun. Or maybe some of you, pwedeng may mawala, okay? I feel, maybe death, okay? Pwedeng, kung hindi relatives, friends, okay, guys? So, yun. And then meron kayong 5 of diamonds, okay. Some of you kung naghiwalay kayo, kung kayo ay hiwalay sa person ninyo, meron kayong card dito ng reconciliation, okay. This card is pledge to be together as a positive relationship, okay? So, yung person na yon, kung naghiwalay kayo, gusto niya ng reconciliation and mag-pledge siya ng positive relationship sa inyo, okay? And yung iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng worries and anxiety, okay? Maybe may problema kayo hindi sa nararamdaman, kundi problema sa mga material things, okay? So yun, kaya yung iba merong worries and anxiety. Maybe yun yung problema ng iba sa inyo, no? Hindi lang naman kasi yung worries and anxiety para sa mga taong nabigo o nasaktan sa pag-ibig. Yung iba may problema rin sa mga material things, okay? So, yung iba nakakaranas ng worries and anxiety dahil doon, guys, okay? And then meron kayong Queen of Hearts, okay. Itong person na 'to napakaganda ng ugali nito 'no. This person is blonde woman, okay. Very kind, okay. Sincere, mapagmahal na babae, okay. Um, Puwede siyang maging sweetheart lover, okay. Kasi siguro itong person na 'to very ano siya, feminine, okay. Meron siyang malambot na puso, tender heart, okay? And ito yung klase ng person na pinapakasalan, okay? Some of you, kung lalaki kayo, pwedeng ito yung person na nagugustuhan nyo, okay guys? Or kung kayo naman na nakikinig ay babae, pwedeng kayo yung merong character na ganito guys, okay? And soon, kung ganun yung character nyo, of course, possible na kayo yung pakakasalan ng person ninyo, okay? And, so yun po yung ibig sabihin nito guys, no? Unconditional love, okay? Pwede rin, okay guys? Some of you merong ganon, no? Unconditional love na nararanasan sa kanilang person, okay? O sa inyong partnership, sa inyong relationship, okay? And then, meron kayong 10 of Hearts. Ang ibig po sabihin nito, some of you may plan na mag-travel, okay? Or kung LDR, pwedeng yung person ninyo mag-travel papunta sa inyo, okay? So, siguro yun yung positive surprises na mangyayari sa iba sa inyo, no? And then, okay. Itong card na to, parang sinasabi dito na sa future nyo, you are meant to be happy na, okay? With your person, with your work, okay? Some of you ay makakaranas ng work promotion, okay? And yung iba sa inyo makakaranas ng good fortune, okay? Good fortune is coming. Kung yung iba naman ay nagkaranas ng bad fortune, yung iba naman sa inyo ay makakaranas ng good fortune, okay? Good fortune is coming. So, yun lang yung ating nakita sa reading nyo today, no guys? Para sa next 72 hours ninyo, guys. Mag-pull tayo ng cards. Wait lang, guys, ha? Kuha tayo ng... Ayan, kuha ko ng cards, guys. Okay, advice from your angel spirits, guys. Mag-pull tayo ng oracle cards para sa inyo. Okay, meron kayong trust. Okay, maybe some of you, eto, paalala, this situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay, trust. Okay. Kuha pa tayo ng isang cards. Meron kayong very soon, okay? Kung meron kayong mga iniintay, mangyayari na yon. clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now, guys. And then, ay, nahulog. Ang dulas kasi ng cards. Okay guys, meron kayong healing family issues, okay? Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents, okay? Maybe some of you sa mga nakikinig dito or nakapanood nitong reading na to, maybe advice sa inyo to, no? Kung meron pa rin kayong family issues, sabing ganun dito, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents, guys. So, ano pa ba? Mag-pull tayo ng Monology decks. Okay, tingnan natin anong advice para sa inyo dito, guys. Para sa ating mga... Okay, meron kayong nothing is yet set in stone. Okay? Nothing is yet set in stone. Okay? So, yung iba, kung may mga pinaplano, nothing is yet set daw, guys. And then, meron kayong believe in the impossible, guys. One more. Take time to breathe out. Okay, guys? So, yun lang yung ating na-pull na cards para sa inyo, no, guys? Ano pa ba? Mag-pull tayo ng cards dito. Ano bang advice sa inyo ng angel spirits niyo dito? Sa oracle na ito. Meron kayong, okay, recovery. Some of you, kung nasa feeling pain kayo, some of you ay makaka-recover na kayo soon. Okay? Okay. Meron kayong if you believe. Okay, guys? If you believe. Ano ba yung dapat ninyong paniwalaan? Okay, guys? And then, helpful people. Okay? So, yun lang yung ating mga nakuhang advices from your angels, guys, no? So, ano pa bang kukunin nating cards? So, para dun sa mga mag-pull tayo ng cards dito, guys. Message from your angels spirit para sa reading nyo this time. Fresh starts, okay? New opportunity, release the past. This is your second chance. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, meron kayong regret, remorse, life, regrets, loss, start making empowered choices. Okay, some of you yun yung feeling this time, no? May pag-regret. Okay. Next. Okay, receive. Open-minded, abundant, ready. It's your time to receive. Okay, guys. So, yun nga. Some of you makakaroon ng good luck, okay? Good luck is coming your way. So, wait lang, guys. So, yun lang yung ating kuhang mga messages para sa inyo, no, guys? Mag-pull tayo ng letters and numbers. Baka makaresonate yung person nyo dito sa aking personalized stone. Okay? Guys, meron kayong number 5, number 17, number 8, number 4, number 2, number 20. Okay, and then meron kayong letter F, letter Y, letter T, letter K, and letter I. Okay guys, baka initials ng person niyo and birthday anniversary niyo yung number. So yun lang po muna guys, no? Yung ating reading para sa inyo. Wait lang guys. So yun lang po yung ating reading para sa inyo guys, no? Para sa next 72 hours ninyo. See you next reading guys. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung reading natin para sa inyo. Kung nagustuhan niyo po, paki-like na lang po itong video guys and share, okay? So yun lang po. Maraming salamat guys. Bye for now. Have a nice day and blessed Sunday. Bye.